the bathroom, one of the key areas that Alice's parents want to get upgraded. The old shower over the bath, they're not a fan. And it's lacking a bit of storage. So we're going to get rid of the bath, just put a level entry shower in, nice vanity, tile it, and make this a really nice space. All of the bathroom wares from Robertson's. The toilet in here, the accessories, we've added in the little shelf above, just the tiles make it really clean and really sharp. We've got a big double sink, super practical and fits everything that Brian has shown a need, as well as putting in the old mirror cabinets behind here, so there's extra space. Love the tapware, it's all kind of got this, well, that's what you do, you make everything match. Make it all match. And then a nice level entry shower, nice and big. Love the tap on the side so you don't get wet. Big dumper coming in, and it's just clean, it's sharp, it looks good, and it's a really good use of a small space.